Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start showing you the roads that are being repaired by under the Spark program. Now the Spark program is a $45 billion program to fix roads in Jamaica. They're not patching them, they're literally doing over the entire road. So today we are in Orange Grove and we are showing you the road that's being worked on now. I'm trying to remember the name of this road. I think it's Orange Crescent. But this is one of the roads being done in the Kingston 8 area. I know it's being done by a political constituency, and this constituency is Samuda. As you can see, they have dug up the entire road and they're going to be repaving it. And it's going to be 2,000 roads that they repair, but they're doing it in phases. And this road is one of the first ones to be repaired. We'll go through a list showing you all the roads. Every constituency gets a certain amount of roads to be fixed, and we're going to start going through the list of all the roads, and we're going to show you all of them. So this is the first one we're showing you. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.